Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in and use the Deutsche Bank's online banking app on your mobile device. So if you haven't, go to your Play Store or App Store and in the search bar type in Deutsche Bank. After that, download the app called Deutsche Bank Mobile, and once it's downloaded, open it. Now, it will take you to this page where you'll have to enter your branch number, account number and your sub-account number. After that, enter your PIN, and once you tap sign in, you'll be successfully logged in to your account. So, after you log into your account, the page will look somewhat like this. So, over here you can see your bank account's balance. If you scroll down, you can transfer money to other people's and you can also view standing orders. After that, you can see your overall balance, your investments and all of your transactions, and finally you can see your mortgages at the bottom of the screen. And then if you tap the three lines on the top right corner of the screen, you will get many more options. You can view your post box and view all of the documents, or you could apply for Apple Pay through your Deutsche Bank's app, and you can also view your IBA and NBIC, and finally you can view your settings from here. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.